In this video, I'm going to show you how to demo trade on TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do when you open your chart, you want to go to the top right and click on Trade. In here, you want to click on Paper Trading, which should be the first thing on your list, and you want to click on Connect. Now, this will connect you to Paper Trading, or as you can see here, it says it's a brokerage simulator by TradingView, which means this is actually demo trading, and you can demo trade it using this account. Now, if I go down here and use this two arrow over here, click on it, and basically like kind of slide it up, you'll see how much you have on your account, so the account balance, your equity, P&L, etc., as well as your orders, positions, order history, and stuff like that. Okay, now whenever you have this, you can then just start trading, of course, demo trading. You could go and use either these two buttons up top left over here in the chart to open the trading side panel. You could right click anywhere in your chart to sell or buy, okay, so at a specific price, or you could click on the trade button top right and it's going to open up the same side panel. Okay, now I do have some orders here already, as you can see. Let me actually cancel these first. There we go. And then you can see up top, you can of course demo trade using the sell or buy button, and then it's up to you if you want to do a market order, limit order, or a stop order. And then over here, you can go ahead and select how much you want to purchase or sell with your demo account. You can go either in units, you have margin in USD, percentage of balance, risk balance, etc. Okay, of course, if you want to add take profits and stop losses, you can do that as well over here using these two buttons. You can enable them and it's going to show you the stop losses and of course the take profits, and then you can see your order info over here. If you're ready, you can just hit the either buy or sell button if you are selling, and that's how to demo trade on TradingView. Now whenever you're done, you can go and click on the arrow top right, and then from here click on log out, and you'll be logged out of your demo trading and you're back only on your chart where basically you can't trade. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.